Ever wonder how to blend live video into your text like this? PowerPoint can do it in minutes, no extra tools needed. Today, we are learning how to merge text with a background video to create a stunning cinematic effect right inside PowerPoint. Start by inserting your preferred background video onto a blank slide. Duplicate the video, reduce the size slightly, then align it to the center. Now, go to Rotate, flip vertically and horizontally to mirror it. Go to the Home tab, insert a text box, type your title, something like Beach. Center it, select bold font and increase the font size to fit your layout. Now, select the flip video first, then the text box. Align both to center and middle. Go to Merge Shape. Select Intersect. Your text is now filled with the video. Go to Video Format. Add a video border and increase the width to give it polished look. Now, select both video layers. Go to Animation tab and add the play animation. Then, open the animation pane to control the sequence. Apply to the title video. Fade in entrance. Grow and shrink. Set timing all to start with previous. Fade in duration 3 seconds. Delay 2 seconds. Play animation comes after fade in. Grow animation at second duration. And just like that, you have merged video and text beautifully in PowerPoint for a clean cinematic look. If you love this effect, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any PowerPoint magic on Akshrika Tutorials. See you in the next video.